Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are, whenever you are. Thank you for watching this live stream with Mr. M.
Hey, man. It's Friday. No. Tomorrow.
Exactly. But actually, we're going to be canceling Friday, so we're not going to be here. I'm not going to be doing my regular show tomorrow. And just so you know, I won't be doing my regular show all next week. I will be in Germany.
Yep,
right?
nice.
Going to be visiting some family there. And yeah, it's going to be, we're still doing do the live show, right?
Mm-hmm. Yep.
It's going to be a little bit early for me. I'm going to have to wake up be ready for 6 to prepare the show and all that kind of stuff with you. And then actually, do the show, go live. We're going to be doing a live at 10 o'clock local time, which is Dubai time, and it would be 7 o'clock Germany time, 7 a.m. Jesus. Okay. Well, that's what I'm going to be doing next week. And so make sure you stay tuned. Another thing is you have to watch this shock and awe video that I did, right? That's going to be coming out later on today. Once you look at this, once you see this, you'll be like,
oh my goodness.
Yeah.
I've seen bits and bobs when you were recording it. Guys, you don't want to miss that.
Yeah, exactly. You don't want to miss today's later on video because it's going to be absolutely epic. It will change your mind forever on what you must do next. The next step that you take, right, will shape your life forever after watching that video. Okay, that's it. Make sure you hit the like, hit the subscribe, and then head over to Mr. M's podcast, right? Because you know what? He's got an excellent episode here. Let me just show you guys that you must see about XRP and Bitcoin. It's a banger, man. It's like it's a fight, man. It's a fight, and there's lots of information in there that you need to see. Okay.
Nice. And tomorrow I'll upload the Maybach chat we had. So first of many for a new series me and Da Vinci are doing. So make sure to stay tuned. It's gonna go up tomorrow morning, Dubai time. So.
Yeah, I'm doing trading at WeEx, right? .davincij15.com, and they've actually given you guys a bonus. If you guys head over to wex.davincij15.com, use my link, and you can get $100 just for signing up, right? And an extra bonus for like depositing a small amount of money. So, yeah, there you go, $200 for signing up, and then another $100 for signing up, and another $100 for depositing a small amount of money, and then that's yours for trading, and whatever you trade and win, that's yours to keep. So there you go, right? Easy, free money for trading if you're interested in trading. And trust me, you probably will be after you watch today's video.
You definitely wanted to do it after, right? XRP risks 30% drop. I mean, is it over? Is it finished? Do you think XRP is going to collapse or is going to do well this bull run?
Because, I mean, here's the thing, right? They have the sheep mesmerized, like, yeah, XRP, I'd buy XRP. So, and then, the banks, right, they want to make money too, and they realize that, the people of XRP have sufficiently brainwashed the masses, right, to accept that this crappy cryptocurrency. So effectively, and its objective is to allow the banks not to use XRP. No. To use the people who buy XRP as liquidity. Right? That's what people don't know. That's what people just don't seem to tell you. Right? And so that's the whole point, right? They need that liquidity because they're not interested in holding XRP, the banks.
Yeah, because you don't actually, sorry to jump in, but it's quite interesting you're talking about this because in the debate, XRP versus Bitcoin, Rajat talks about the fact that you don't actually have to hold XRP because the whole purpose of XRP is to convert currencies. So you don't have to hold it. So who the hell is going to buy it?
Oh, y'all.
Exit liquidity. Sorry.
So effectively, XRP will probably do well because, hey, they've got a greatest marketing tool. I don't know how they did it, how they convinced people to hold XRP from $3 way back in 2017 till now, right? And still hasn't stayed above the $3 mark. But congratulations, you did it, right? Meanwhile, if you had held Bitcoin,
oh boy, Yeah. Yeah, and like you say all the time, guys, remember to chart everything against Bitcoin. So if you open up a charting platform like TradingViews or whatever, and you chart Bitcoin versus XRP, you'll feel it because XRP is still down, what, 80%?
Yeah. I was predicting XRP to hit the 160, but I think you should hit the bid on this if you want to trade this, right? And just there's of course you need to know what your stop loss would be because there's no guarantee that 160 will hold, ish area will hold. But if it does, right, you could see a big gains right from that level because they will pump this thing to God knows how high. God knows.
Yeah, there's a lot of speculation also on what Trump is going to do with the stockpile, right? So apparently all the made in America crypto like XRP, Cardano, HBAR, they will pump at some point because he wants to make crypto made in America, which doesn't make sense, but it's kind of a cool line, I guess, to say.
Yeah,
but
sorry.
it is what it is. How do you feel about this? Like the cheat sheet says, I mean, one way to see it, it could be that we are about to enter belief and then trail in euphoria before we go back into doom and gloom winter.
Yeah, I think so. If we were to see the what's it called, the fear and greed, right? The fear is in the section here, right? Oh my God, we're dying, right? And so there's always going to be. Notice how this chart. Notice how there's always a major dip before it goes. Okay, F y'all.
See ya.
Yeah. So just so you know, if you watch my other episodes, right? We have a trade here for that major dip set up.
You're waiting for that to happen, right?
Okay. Just so you know, right? We already know that that's about to play out, right? I don't know when, and I don't care, right? And also, I don't care if it doesn't play out because I will find another entry some other place.
Yeah, fair enough.
That's it. And that's how you trade, right? That's how you long-term trade, right?
You don't get ready, you stay ready, right?
Exactly.
So that makes sense. And there's a lot of you guys asking about Cardano. Remember, next week, we are recording with Da Vinci and Charles Hoskinson on my own channel. So make sure to stay tuned for that one because it's going to be epic.
Oh, yeah, that's right.
Next week.
That was supposed to be on my calendar. When's that supposed to be? Because I think that's why.
I'll tell you later because I can't say when.
Okay.
It's going to be next week.
Because that's probably why she had it set for
that time.
For that time,
okay.
because she thought that was. Oh, okay, that's why. So you're gonna have to put that in the calendar.
Yeah.
That makes sense.
It's here.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Is it? Oh, it's on Tuesday. Okay.
I
don't see it on my calendar.
Say the date though.
What?
Yeah, it looks like only he has accepted it, but not you yet.
Okay, I don't see
Well,
it.
we'll figure it out later.
Okay, yeah,
but it's gonna happen.
Yeah.
Soon.
Thank you for reminding me.
No
Right,
worries.
yeah, we'll get that done.
Charles is gonna be so good, and of course the legend Da Vinci. So it's gonna be an exciting chat. So stay tuned for that one.
Perfect.
Cardano and Bitcoin. Phantom wallet experiences. Outages, man. Sometimes online is spreading.
Yeah, exactly. I mean,
the wallet.
now Phantom is SOL.
Damn, I like Phantom though. It's a good wallet, but
Oh man.
yeah, they're playing with fire.
Damn, Phantom, the non-custodial multi-chain crypto wallet, most popular on Solana or sometimes online, experienced a brief, sometimes online disruption on February 12th, according to an update posted on X by the Phantom team. Oh man, that's funny, right? It is what it is, right? I mean, here's the thing: it is a software program that connects to the Solana network, and so I'm not sure how it's developed, but let's just say that some applications, when you develop them, they don't connect to a decentralized server, right? Like Bitcoin, right? So, for example, you could write an application that connects to any Bitcoin node to verify transactions and send transactions, right? That's probably not possible under Solana. So, which kind of means it's centralized.
Yeah, like a little bit. Degens are gonna degen, right? They don't care.
Exactly. So this is an example of centralization, right? If their servers go down, you are down. Yeah. Now, with Bitcoin, it doesn't work that way.
Nope. By the way, speaking about Bitcoin and building, have you seen that the founder of ProtonMail built a Bitcoin wallet?
ProtonMail? Oh, really?
Mm-hmm. They announced it yesterday, I think. I mean, he's a cool guy. I like ProtonMail. Super privacy oriented and Bitcoin wallet, decentralized, open source. Very
Come on
cool.
now. Why not?
Yeah, I'm excited about it.
All right.
Governor Cynthia Lummis says the U.S. should sell gold and buy Bitcoin with it. What do you think?
Yeah, I don't think they have to sell their gold. They could always just say, hey, the gold's staying here, but you can buy it from us.
Stay here.
We got it in this box called Fort Knox.
Just drop it there.
Don't listen to the guard saying, I'm guarding the fact there's no gold here. They lying.
Lies. Yeah.
There's gold there, okay? So you're buying part of that gold. And we're going to use that cash that you give us. Don't worry, your gold's safe. To buy Bitcoin.
Yeah. Imagine like 1 kilo gold with a bunch of post-its. Okay, this guy bought it, post-it, photo, there you go. Then who's next? Take the photo out. Post-it,
Proper.
who's next?
This is the right way for the government to switch to Bitcoin.
Damn. You just drop it, drop and pray.
Oh,
right?
by the way, ignore the fact that we could print money to pay you instead of and not keep the gold. Avoid that.
If the funk is not enough. Damn. When you think about the old system, it's just like complete shenanigans, right?
I know, it is.
Complete
It is. Right. And you know what? I bet you they're going to do something like that. I mean, they'd have to be stupid not to, because here's the thing. All they have to do is say, you trust the government, don't you?
Yeah, we got you. So don't worry. It's okay.
Oh, what are you, conspiracy theorists? You think the government's bad? They'll do things that will harm you? What's wrong with you? And there are people who believe that.
Oh, yeah. It's,
It is what it is.
it is what it is. That's why in Bitcoin we say don't trust, verify.
But trust. Don't verify with the government. Just trust. Right?
You don't need to verify.
What? We didn't do an audit since 1946? Psst, psst.
Yeah. XRP is missing 500. The ledger. Poof. Trust me, bro.
Trust me, bro. We got to go.
Would you want to see it now? Would you want to see it? No, bro, you trust.
Exactly.
What's wrong with you? That's hilarious. And speaking about gold, look at this. If Bitcoin is going to mimic what gold has done lately, we should see a new all-time high. I mean, when you put them neck to neck, it's kind of scary how close they are. Right?
Exactly. Oof. Damn, G. We about to pop off. So, I mean, this is why I have this trade here. And no guarantees, of course. Please understand, right? I accept that there's no guarantees that I can get this entry, get these entries, right? But generally, right? Before the market takes off, it likes to go, F y'all. No guarantees, but that's generally what happens.
Shake a few paper hands and then moon.
So be ready. I'm getting ready for that. That F y'all move. Okay.
Sounds good. Sounds good. 1 in 4 South Koreans own crypto. How about this?
You sure it's not North Koreans? They can't even own their own life or food.
That's a different kind of Korea. There.
Exactly. Yeah.
But yeah, that's interesting. I don't know where. It's probably like a South Korean brother. Maybe most Seoul, I would say. I'm not sure, but it's interesting to see the 1 in 4. It's actually quite high.
Yeah, that is quite high. I mean, it's 1 in 4 Koreans have a brain, right?
There you go.
They know that crypto is where it's at, right? I think the next big thing though is AI, of course, but we'll talk about that in the next video.
Exactly. And speaking about places, look at this. Mexico Senator Anthony files a strategic Bitcoin Act, Reserve Act. So I think we'll see a lot of these things coming in because, by the way, I've spoken to Dennis last night. There is 21 states in the US applying for a strategic reserve. 21 states.
Okay, I want everyone who doesn't have Bitcoin to listen to you. Come here, listen. Right? You don't have any Bitcoin because, what, you're afraid? Right? You think it's going to go down? Did you notice that all the governments haven't bought yet? And how much money do they have? Oh, that's right, they can print it. You making a connection here? And they're planning to buy? Have you lost your mind? Do you have any brain cells? Right? You have the trade of the century lining up for you. Mm-hmm. What's wrong with you? Buy Bitcoin. Enough said.
Yeah, and forget you have it for 10 years. Then you'll be very happy, right?
Yeah, because you don't wait. You go, oh, wait. Oh, now the United States has some, or maybe your state has some, or Mexico has some, so I'll sell it. What?
Yeah.
What? You wait until every government has it.
Yeah, that's the definition of front running, right? So
Exactly.
that's what's going to happen indeed. I'm actually super bullish about this.
Okay, let's listen to this.
And we talk about the CP lie.
CP lie.
The
What's
lies.
happening? The lies. Oh, lies. Oh, damn.
Our friend Rick Santelli. Rick, a kind of a fascinating statement from Jay Powell and the Fed, because the Fed did cut rates and acted like they certainly were in a hurry last year. I don't know what's changed.
Oh, they absolutely did in a huge way, no doubt about it. I'll give you a couple of counterpoints. How many in this room or in any room in September, they cut 50 basis points in mid-September, thought Trump would be president, or thought that DeepSeek would be pushing NVIDIA off to stage right? How many? Or the next chart. How about the next chart? This is a chart of year-over-year CPI core, which is going to be out tomorrow at 8:30 Eastern, which our last look was 3.2%. On the left side, it's under 2% pre-COVID. On the right side, it's above 3%. There's your answer. There's your answer in a chart. That's the reason the Fed isn't cutting, because they've been miscalculating the sturdiness of inflation, among other things, or maybe underestimating the sturdiness of the labor market. I give them credit for making the right decision and being more flexible, but they definitely had a head of steam to cut last fall. Now, we're going to look at three charts very quickly here. A 2-day of 2-year, 10-year, and 30-year. And what I want you to see is the right side is higher than the left side. All maturities are trading higher than yesterday's highs. The longer the maturity, the more above yesterday's high yields they traded. Okay? And why is that? Well, because we're going into CPI, among other things, and the yield curve is steepening, what we call bear steepening. Don't want to get too much in the weeds. With prices going down, yields going up, and the yield curve steepening, that's a bear steepening. And if you look at where the yield curve, 2/10 was, the last time we saw CPI, the 14th of January, here's that chart, okay? It's basically watching, we've seen it flattening. That is not a good thing, and I fully suspect that tomorrow we're going to see the same dynamics with inflation, but I think the market's getting much more discriminating on who they listen to. Back to you, Kelly.
Rick, thank you. We appreciate it. Watching that 2-10 spread, he's been telling us.
Oh, man.
Was it a good breakdown?
Yeah, he's telling us, right, the market's not listening to what the government is telling us anymore with the CP lie, right? They're not listening.
Yep.
Right? Even though CPI officially jumped 0.5 whole points, like nothing, in 1 month, the largest increase since August 2023, core CPI inflation was expected to fall. So expectations and blah, blah, blah. And so effectively, we got this. But there's going to be a time here when everybody goes, wait a second here, man. This is a basket of goods? Who wrote those baskets? What's in those
What's
goods?
in the basket?
Yeah, well, we got shelter, food, right? Vehicles.
Cars, yeah.
Vehicles. not
Vehicles, sorry.
vehicles,
Yeah, it could be anything. Bicycles.
right?
Yeah.
So if you are no longer can afford a car, right? And you could only afford bicycles, electric bike, by the way,
You'll be all right.
prices have come down.
100%, yeah.
Because you're no longer spending the money on an actual car, which is just way too expensive.
Yeah, we don't look at that anyway.
No.
Right? We just selectively.
You bought a $5,000 bike, right? That's electric bicycle.
Cheaper.
So prices have come down. You still got means of transportation, a vehicle.
Electric. Emphasis on electric. Damn. It's kind of a bunch of nonsense if you think about it. But as you can see, the stock dumped and Bitcoin also dumped, right? Because the number was bigger than expected from 3.1 to 3.3.
Yes, and you can see all this nonsense happening because if you look at Shadow Stats, they have, how they calculated the CPI before they kept it fixed, right? On that calculation. Now you could argue that wait a second, certain things we don't buy the same things we did back then in the 1980s. True. True. There was no computers, right? I mean, there was very few, but there was. But it was not the normal thing to buy.
Cell phones or...
Neither cell phone, right? And it was mostly calculating on, homes, food, shelter, and a few things back then. The main things. Because you don't need the main things now.
It's 2025.
Exactly.
You don't need eggs. Who eats eggs?
Exactly.
I mean, Jesus. I mean, honestly, if you go to the supermarket, any supermarket, and you buy a bunch of groceries, 3%, yeah, that seems fair, right? Like if you go back 5 years ago, yeah, the price is 3%. I agree, right?
No. What are you smoking?
It makes sense. Like I can buy the same stuff, and by the way, products are not getting smaller.
No,
there's no,
no.
shrinkflation there. Same size, like the Big Mac in the 80s.
Yeah, it's the same size as it is today.
Same price.
It just happens to look small.
Trust, bro.
Trust don't
trust them,
verify. Trust me, bro.
That's that's how it is.
Damn. Oh, well, we're entering the zone now.
Yeah.
The crazy zone. I mean, it feels like the crazy zone when we talk about the CPI.
Exactly. That's the crazy DGen, the CPI. Not the filthy meme coins. Filthy meme coins is safe haven compared to the lies.
Yes. Oh, lies. CPI.
So guys, remember, there is your fault insurance. And by the way, smash up the like button. We only have 60 likes, man. Come on, guys. We can't get filthy with 60 likes. We need to have at least
I know, exactly.
100.
What's up with that, man?
Like, come on.
We're not answering any questions unless we get to 100 likes.
Like 100 should be like the baseline. We need to get filthy. We need likes.
For
otherwise-
your Q&A, you got to pay.
Yeah, pay with
Hit the
likes.
likes.
Exactly.
Okay.
Hit the likes.
Okay, with that said, right, we're gonna get into the zone where if you follow us into this zone, and should things get ugly,
It will.
and they will,
Yeah.
right? You're gonna have to take out some sort of insurance. What kind of insurance is that?
Your fault insurance. Big time. Big time. Because you should not do this.
No.
Not even remotely entertain the idea. Just watch us doing it.
Exactly.
That's it.
Buy Bitcoin, and if you really want to participate, buy Solana. That's it.
Which is filthy already.
Exactly.
So you can get filthy with Solana. That's it.
Yeah.
That's it. That's a good point.
And leave it at that. But I get the feeling that if you buy Solana and you hold it yourself, you're going to get tempted. It's because somebody's going to come to you and say, man, buy this meme coin.
Yeah,
man.
I know.
You're going to be rich. And you're going to go, nah, man. Da Vinci said, nah, I'm not doing that.
Yeah.
And then you're going to watch that meme coin go to like $1 billion market cap. And then you'd be like,
Maybe a little bit. I'll do $20.
exactly.
Full degen in a week.
Yeah, exactly. it happens to the best of us.
Exactly. It's like entering a strip bar and not buying a private dance, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Good luck with that. You know?
Exactly.
So don't even enter the strip bar. You know, just don't go. Just buy Bitcoin. Leave the bar.
Damn. Wow.
You know.
Wow. Whew. Wow. Okay. Let's go. Let's do this.
How bad is the portfolio before?
Well, you know what? Honestly,
we don't want to look at that.
Yeah.
It's best if we don't look at the portfolio.
Let's not, but we're gonna say we did, and well, it is what it is. We got the $1 right coin, and I think we've hit some rock bottoms with this. I don't know.
Okay. So we degenerated into it.
We degened a little bit into it yesterday. Not a whole lot, right? We did it is registered and stuff like that, so we have
like
to go
a
for
good
it.
double
And so-
bottom.
And same with Doge, right? We got we're buying the bottoms here, right?
Okay.
And hopefully, I don't know if I did, but hopefully I put in the sell orders on all this. I think I did. I believe I did. So let me see here. Did I do it for Doge? Yes, I did. I did it. I don't know. Let's see here. Let's take a look. Oh, what is this? Oh, this is just buy. So we need to go trigger orders. And then we have to go down. And yeah, I did.
Okay.
There we go.
Nice. I doubled, right?
And so when it doubles, right,
Sell half.
we'll get paid. And so that's probably why our portfolio is looking a little dirty, a little ugly.
I like you were trying to say because we are invested into these things, right? So at some point they're gonna double.
Okay, yes. And remember what I said about this one? I said that, hey, you know what? I didn't want to go heavy on this one because I figured, right, if it were to drop some more, we can get some more, like full degen.
Is it the time now?
And I think so, because it did drop some more.
Please remember, we bought it in Moscow.
Yeah, we bought it on my personal account. I know exactly.
I also have it on my. I put out.
And the thing is, right, it doubled several times. We could have bought the bottoms, doubled again, and bought the bottom, came back and forth. It did this a lot. So, and it's fully registered, and you can see we're lower than we probably were yesterday, because you can see that there's a lot of it's just downhill here, and it's, there could be because it's a falling wedge, and let's see here. There's the charts patterns here. It's a fall. Yeah. What do you call this? A falling wedge?
Yeah. Looks like it.
Well, then that's actually bullish, actually.
Yeah. I like Vibecat. It's an interesting one. We got it a few months ago in Moscow, and then I actually managed to do a decent, but I didn't sell, of course, because I'm a degen, and I let it run, and I got destroyed because it pumped and then it dumped again.
Yeah. So the falling wedge could take us all the way back up to 4 million market cap.
Okay, that's a 3-something, 3x.
Doesn't 2x, right?
2 something, yeah. 1.8, yeah, sorry, yeah. Yeah. And I like it. I think, it's definitely not going to rug because it's been around for a bit.
Exactly. And yeah, so, whoops, I hit the wrong thing.
I think we could go into this thing. I like it. And by the way, we buy when it launched. Remember, we bought when it launched.
Yeah, exactly.
Remember,
We
in
did.
Moscow. Yeah.
I was in and out of that thing like crazy.
Okay, so how much?
So I originally started with the $10, 1.1. I'm going to add another 0.1 today as well.
Okay, nice, solid. I like Vibecat. I think it's gonna.
I think it might do something again. And we should probably go a little bit more, but just in case, we're not gonna be full degen.
Yeah,
We're partly degen.
like partially degen. Okay, I like it. Makes sense. On this, I should have played it a little bit more, because at some point I've done I think 5x and I didn't take profit. It wasn't significant anyway, so I just let it ride. But I should have always take half on it.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
Always. Yeah.
All right. With that said, let's go hunting. Let's get dirty.
People are saying Mandy. Mandy it's been all week. People are saying Mandy. Have you checked on that one, on Mandy?
Mini Doge.
Yeah, because
Mini Doge.
Elon Musk's son has been everywhere lately on the press.
Mini Doge went to mini zero.
Oh my God. Yeah.
Already. Jesus. How about the Fed? Don't fight the Fed.
Oh.
And the Fed Like screwed us. Damn.
Who knew? The Fed would have screwed us.
That's a good one. That's a good one. At first, I didn't get it.
It was gentle.
Oh, damn.
What's with Jerome? Oh my God! Did they made a Jerome meme?
Where
Number
is
2, that up there. Did they made a Jerome meme?
Yeah, well, that's a Fed one.
Oh, that's the one you click on. Oh,
Yeah,
Jesus!
Yeah.
Wow. Okay.
Cupid. Since it's Valentine's Day, I guess we
Ah,
have
yeah.
to buy this.
Valentine's Day.
We have to buy this because it's Valentine's Day. Look, it's only going up.
Yeah.
Dude.
This is
Green
definitely not the
candles.
top.
Green candles only. Dude, look. Man.
230K though. That's
How could
not-
you not buy this?
I mean, 230K, 41 locked in liquidity.
Yeah, let's DJ.
We are definitely not buying the top here, but look at that V-shaped recovery there.
Exactly.
Beautiful. It's going to the moon.
Exactly. I would like to be buying the lower part of the V-shaped recovery, but
That would have been nice. But this thing only launched a few hours ago, right? So
yeah.
we might have a...
No, it was launched yesterday, dude. Because it had 2 days worth of
2 days, okay.
data, so I don't know.
But we got to place the sell half, my double kind of thing, right?
Oh, yeah. When we put $20, we could get our $20 back.
Damn, well, $20 at the time. You know, you can
That's
retire
true.
the bloodline.
Exactly. $20 at a time.
Yeah,
All right,
retire the bloodline.
we have to just do it because, well, just because we have to get into the habit of doing it.
Exactly. It's just because, you know, if we would have done it from the beginning, I think we could have significantly changed the outcome of our portfolio.
Probably, or probably not.
No problem. But that's what a true degen likes to think. So
Yes.
it's not my fault. Is the fact that I didn't put a thing in place. Right?
Yeah, but that is your fault, right?
100%. 100% your fault. The others had your fault insurance there.
There we go.
Okay.
Right? Yes, we'll do the trigger order, and we're doing it.
Boom. Okay. And hopefully it won't fail on us. Yeah, can we check Mandy? Yeah, can we check Mandy? Yeah, everyone is... There's a lot of people talking about Mandy in the chat. I don't know what this is.
Mandy.
Mandy. There's probably going to be a few. Yeah, Y. AMDY, yeah. It's probably a few.
Mandy Candy.
Mandy Candy. Which one will be? We don't know.
Okay, it's 3 million market cap.
Okay.
Wow, it's already taken off. And we'll be buying the highs as it's taken off again. I cannot, in good conscience, buy something that's already, already seen. It's already at its highs. Sorry, dog.
But if we retrace down to the uptrend there, maybe. There's a nice uptrend there.
Yeah, I'm not sure exit liquidity, people.
Yeah. But would you agree that there is this line here?
Yeah, there is an uptrend, but you see, the trend was upping, and now it's blown.
It's
blow
gone
off
way
top.
off. Yeah,
so
yeah. So that's why
generally
maybe
that's
if it goes down to
breakdown.
the bottom
That's
of
a
the trend.
breakdown. Yeah.
Okay.
So let's not do that.
Yeah, but we can keep our eyes on it and see if there is a healthy retracement down to the trend, which is quite far away.
Yeah, exactly.
Maybe
So,
that could be a good one. Thank you for the suggestion.
Yeah, thanks, but we're gonna pass on that one. Okay.
A lot
Let's see
of
here.
Valentine, soulmates,
Duolingo.
and Reap.
Wow. Okay, this smells bad. But then it's got 500,000 in liquidity locked. Why does it rip Duolingo? I don't know.
Oh, they're saying the Mandy developer is a YouTuber. Oh, I don't... Okay, maybe we can do some research. Maybe we even know the guy or the lady. I don't know.
It's
Okay.
okay.
What is this?
We inform you that the Duo, formerly known as the Duolingo owl, is dead. Right?
What? Are we buying something who died?
No, because they're okay. So they're just making a joke that the Duolingo bird, maybe the Duolingo bird has died.
Yeah, maybe the bird
because
has died.
not the actual bird, but they've taken it off of their actual. Let's see here.
So the Duolingo is an app, no?
Yeah, Duolingo is an app. Why are they putting X's on the eyes?
Is the old dead?
Are they killing their interface? Ooh,
You killed it. What?
literally. What?
What the hell? We are hurt the authorities versus yeah. What? I'm lost in here.
Yeah, exactly. Who killed it? Why? What? Are they removing the?
Oh, there. Look, the black and white photo says something. 1000 BC to 2025.
What?
Do the old. Well, I don't know if they're killing the app, if the old.
They're not
died.
killing the app. They're probably just killing the actual owl, and they're changing it to something else.
The mascot or something.
Exactly.
Who cares? I don't know. Do you think it's doesn't even make sense to me? this.
40 million volume, dude.
But yeah, and there's 500K locked. So. And we are buying the bottom here, ish.
Ish.
So it could be.
Yeah,
It could be a play.
let's go for it.
Could be a play.
Pump fund. That doesn't give me a little bit more confidence. It doesn't give me that much more confidence. That's a pump fund.
Yeah.
But let's do it. Right? Because that's what degens do. Right? We do what degens do. Well, not really, because we actually did too much research on this. Unverified. Okay, well, it only gets 0.1 of our money.
Yeah. I mean, $20 to retire the bloodline.
Get it done.
I'll take that trade. It's a filthy. Oh, Solana.
Well, sometimes online.
I think we are buying too much.
Exactly.
We are getting too much.
Exactly.
Done.
So nobody comes out and warns us. Please, for God's love of God,
Yeah.
don't buy this. You're supposed to help us. You're supposed to try to, when you have like a friend who's about to do something stupid.
You tell them not to do it.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, I don't remember who was last week who said, "For the love of God, don't buy this." I think it was the Queen coin or something. I think it was really funny.
They were really right on that one.
Yeah, it's really funny indeed. All right. Well, at least we are using protection on these trades, right?
Yeah, we're putting the condom on.
Exactly.
We're not that fully decent.
Exactly. I love technical analysis like astrology for men. Irina, good to see you. We have a podcast together coming up soon. Yeah. So indeed, yes, it is. We are degening here, so on another level.
Let's see if we could get something really filthy.
Yeah, we have to go down to the 5 minutes or something, right? Okay.
Something just came out. Ooh, Zuka.
Zuka. Okay. Is that a rhino?
Rhino. Dude. Look, 25. Look. 18 million market cap.
489,000? What?
It's special. Yeah, special in somebody is actually pumping this market manually. You could tell.
Yeah.
Okay,
Look at that
on a
week
5
there.
minute. Wow. Okay. They are only with $2 million. Wow.
Wow. I don't even know what this is, but I don't think I want to. I don't know. I don't feel it. I feel it's gonna hurt.
Yeah, you're gonna get a rhino nose up your.
Yeah, that's exactly what's gonna happen.
Oh damn!
Well, Maui, number 10. They spent some money into. I don't know what that is. Is that a dog? Can't see. It's too small.
There's a
Look
W.
Look at the W. Exactly. Look at that W there.
I think so. I think we.
Is that a dog with a hat?
I don't know.
It looks like a dog.
what
I
it
like that
looks like.
W though.
I same here.
Maui Dog on BNB. Dang, is it on BNB? Yeah, BNB. Yeah, BNB. Dang.
I was loving it.
I was loving that W also, but BNB we don't do. Sorry, BNB. We only degen on Solana. Brewcoin. Do you remember Beercoin? How bad it hurt people?
I know. Beer coin, man, just went pumping and pumping and pumping. I remember that those days, and I was like, yeah, don't buy that. Don't buy that. And then the guy who was telling me, yeah, that you shouldn't buy it, actually, he was telling me about beer coin in Germany, because it was mostly a German thing.
Yeah, I remember.
And he kept telling me not to buy it.
Yeah,
kept telling me not to buy it. And then he went and bought it, and it dumped.
I remember. He told you the story when Alex was singing. Yeah, I remember.
That is a true degen.
Yeah. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. Actually, I bought it. One of us. One of us.
One of us.
Yeah,
Damn.
it makes sense. That makes
Okay.
sense.
All right. So let's.
Bretta, we have Bretta. Yeah, we have Bretta. We are waiting on a double, right? On Bretta. We have a selling order placed.
It's at the lows, man. Dude,
I know.
it's come back off of it. It's a high horse. We're buying the dip from the dips who sold on the dip.
Exactly.
Proper. You're like not feeling that. You're like,
This would be. Yeah. I don't think I can say out loud how I feel, because it would be a bit of a
yeah.
mouthful of bad things. But
Okay, fine. Let's not move.
I mean,
yeah, no, you're right. No. Yeah, I get it. There's no pattern there that says you should buy that. Honestly.
yeah, that's. It will be. I was about to say it will be a risk, like everything else is not.
Yeah, exactly.
Like, it's just. Yeah, it's. It is what it is.
Brownie.
BNB again.
Oh,
Yeah. By the way, BNB started to.
really?
Yeah, there's
There's movement.
a bit of a trend there. Our friend Crypto King made a video. I think he made 20K last night with BNB. He's killing it. He's in the trenches, but he's into it like a proper, plugged in and.
Really?
Yeah,
Wow.
yeah. He talked about BNB last night. I've seen part of the video. Really good. So I think there's going to be a BNB phase now. Ooh, look at this. Cliff.
Baboosh.
Shut off the cliff. Man,
Baboosh.
that's
Ouch. That's gonna leave a mark
yeah.
in your portfolio. Hey, Deep AI.
Oh, Deep AI, the Chinese version of ChatGPT.
It's really called DeepSeek, but whatever.
Yeah, there's probably a bunch of them, right?
This is going deep. Deep, right?
We can't say where.
Exactly.
It's very deep.
If you got butthole coin, you might know where then.
Damn, this is going to.
Oh,
Yeah, it's going to grow deeper.
Oh, damn. I got to get the deepness.
Are you gonna deep into it?
Yeah, I'm going to deep into it.
Damn. Okay,
I'm feeling this.
he's gonna leave a mark.
Wow. You got to think positive, man. Positive.
Yeah, true. This
We're going deep.
the deep is going to retire the bloodline.
Exactly.
That's it.
Just keep saying that.
Yeah.
And then one day it might come true.
Self-fulfilling prophecy.
0.1. Bloodline secured. Baboosh. I feel secure already. I feel secure. I feel the security coursing through my veins. Right? If you do not buy this and feel the security, well, you're probably correct.
That's it. That sums it up perfectly. Oh boy, it's killing me. Deep. It's gonna be deep.
Yeah, damn.
The one we're waiting for. By the way, we have a super chat. Thank you from nurse practitioner Mandy. Apparently, is the coin. I know. I'm just trying. I'm a nurse practitioner, single mom, and a small practice owner, and a new meme coin. Crazy ride, PMG. Community is strong. Stay tuned. Thank you, gentlemen. So apparently, that's her coin. Okay, it's my coin. Okay, I can't verify this, but awesome.
Good on you, Mandy.
If that's true, it's awesome to have you on the chat. Remember Mandy, the one we looked into earlier?
Yeah. All right. Let's just take another look. What did we say about that one?
We said that we were kind of wanting to wait until a downtrend retracement.
It remains the truth, right? Because it is a meme coin, right? People will get overhype it, especially since, you have like a nice story behind it. It will get overhyped, and so we don't want to buy the overhype, man. We want to buy the underhype.
I say it's real, Mandy. I don't know. I guess that's what she's saying. Yeah.
Yeah. So there it is. There's a clear, uptrend here that has broken out, and so we can't really. It's already done this breakout thing. So.
Okay. Yeah.
Right. Can we see like coins like? Is there coins that do breakouts and then just keep breaking out? Yes, but it's very rare. Which ones do we see mostly? They come back, right? So that's the way it is.
Okay. Can we check on Twitter? And see what the account.
Mm-hmm.
Definitely, you should keep eyes on this one. Like, okay, Mandy.
Mm-hmm.
Mandy coin. Austin, Texas. Let's go.
All right.
All right. Well, thank you for thank you for being here. Thank you for suggesting it. We'll monitor it, right?
Yeah, we'll keep an eye on it, right? Okay. Well, that's it for the DGen section. We did get to 100 likes.
Amazing.
So let's answer a few questions, and then we'll end the show because we're a little bit late here.
Yeah. Let me see. Hello. Is it a good time to buy Solana and Ethereum?
I'd say Solana. Yes. Ethereum.
But gotta go. I mean, okay, so I've seen another one in the chat. I don't know, man. Ethereum is not doing what I was expecting Ethereum to do.
It's difficult to say, man. Nobody's using Ethereum anymore, man. It's just like, did you see any kind of Ethereum degen projects in that list? It's not like they can't list them there.
Yeah, I know. It's just,
we saw Binance Smart Chain. Come on, man.
I know. It's
come on.
That's a difficult one. I would say also Solana, definitely a good buy. Ethereum, I mean, either is going to surprise everyone, is going to reap, or is going to, I don't know, do something terrible, which I hope not, because I have Ethereum in my portfolio. So
when the Sol ETF, when it stays up for another year.
It's never going to happen.
Damn!
There are a bunch of companies filing for an ETF. And, if it stays up and it goes deep, you're good, right?
Oh, man. Sorry, Solana lovers out there. We're just having fun.
It had to be said.
Yes.
William says, do you ever suffer from regret selling some Bitcoin too soon?
Of course. I mean,
that's a common problem.
Dude, man, there's a time when I remember I had to cash out 268 Bitcoin.
Damn.
You don't know how much that hurt.
And it's going to hurt more and more going forward, right? Because the price is going up. But at the same time, you got to do what you got to do, right? 10,000 Bitcoin for 2 pizzas, guys. It is what it is.
Yeah, right? And you know what? I made another mistake, which I knew that I should not have done, I bought a house with my Bitcoin as well.
Yeah, I remember you told me that.
That was the biggest mistake I ever made, and I regret that choice, buying a house. Right? I got caught up in the hey, everybody else says it makes sense. It's like, dude, rich people don't do what everybody does.
Yep.
Right? Period.
Yeah. Yeah, that's well said.
Yeah, and you know what? The thing is, right? I was telling people, okay, well, what I'm going to do is put it under another company, have it have a whole bunch of sub companies and stuff like that. And if I just done that, I'd still have the house today, right? So I listened to what broke people has to tell me how to handle my money. That was my biggest mistake, right? I knew that I should have put it under several companies and several shells and moved it like this and that, so nobody knows jack. Mm-hmm. Right? This is why Andrew Tate, even though he got arrested, he still had his house. They took all his cars that was in his name. They still had half the cars that was not in his name. You see the difference? And same with his house. Got it?
Yeah, you have to protect things into escrow or whatever in a way that they cannot be touched. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Things should have been taken off by now. Where's the bull market, dude? What do you mean? Like,
I know, Jesus. Where have you been?
What time frame are you using?
Exactly.
Are you kidding me? Like, Bitcoin was at $15,000 less than 2 years ago. 15 to 96.
What the hell? Like, let me bring up a chart for you to help you analyze this. Let's start. Oh, you're starting with the 15-minute. No, there's nothing going on. Let's go to the 4-hour. Oh yeah, it's trapped. There's no bull market. Oh no, we've got a stable coin here on our hands here. Oh, wait a second. Hold on.
That's a daily. Okay, maybe.
Daily. Wait a second. There's a little bit of a run here from 50K to 100K. Clearly, that's not a bull market, right? Mm-hmm. But if we zoom out a little bit more, what happens here? What happens? Let's go down to the weekly, right? Let's see what happens there. Is there going to be no bull market? Oh, what the?
Yeah. This bull market is deep.
There's no bull. There's only the price has only done this, going in this direction, but that's not a bull market. The price is not. Nothing's happening, right? Right. We've only seen it go from down here to up here. Nothing's happening. Nothing.
Yeah. So zoom out for sure. It's like there is a discussion on the chat. People are saying that Mandy's a dude. I mean, I don't know, but it wouldn't surprise me. This is the beauty of the internet, right? Everything is kind of
obfuscated.
A little bit. Go, altcoin season done.
I guess for now.
For now, it's paused.
Yeah,
but,
exactly.
Will it be paused forever?
Yeah, maybe not, right? I mean, yeah, you know what? The dumb money. The people say that the retail market, is dumb money, right? And the big money is the smart money. But can I ask you a question? Right?
Always.
How many people play in the bond market? The bond, like the treasury bond market, at billions of dollars.
Well, I mean,
like the average person is 0.0. And in those bond markets, 90% of the people trading in the bond markets are losers. So if only smart money is big money, and 90% of that big money is losing in the bond market, wouldn't that be dumb money as well?
There's a high chance of that. Yeah.
Just saying. So, with that said, can that dumb money decide, you know what, I'm tired of losing at the bond market here, and come into the crypto altcoins market, and they could be the smart money there? I don't know. That might happen.
Yeah.
It might make sense.
Exactly. That's Yeah, some people are saying, well, if we have no altcoin season, how can Solana get to $700? Well, the thing is, you don't need altcoin season for Solana to pump.
Exactly. It's
because
not
you have
about
the meme coins,
it's not about just because we could have like a season in the meme coin section only, right? And then Solana will benefit from that, right? Because because here's the thing. The amount of altcoins that are out there are massive. And so people are going to centralize on altcoins that are going to perform. And so they're going to run from the bad performers into the good performers. That's how.
Yep.
Got it? Get it? Got it? Good. Okay. Moving on.
Yeah, some people are saying maybe the bull market is over. No, man, the bull market is not over. That's my opinion. Of course, none of this is financial advice, but no chance that Bitcoin has stopped.
All right.
What
If
do
you
you
think it's over, sell and walk away. Just walk away and put an end to the horror. Just walk away and walk away with your lives.
Exactly. So to buy Bitcoin. Okay, so this is a yes and no answer. If you want to, I don't know if you, I'm sure you agree, but if you have a long-term time frame, if you have 5 or 10 years, it's not too late. If you need to pay your rent this month, don't do it.
Yeah,
right?
exactly. Yeah.
So
So
is it
there
too
it
late?
is. There it is.
Not really, but it could be, depending on how long is your time frame.
Okay. Well, before we end off the show, I want you guys to know that MetaSignals, right, is a new sponsor here. We got them up to the top there. And so, check out MetaSignals. It's, a means to actually do some trading signals because like you guys, a lot of you guys just want to be told when to enter a trade and when to exit a trade. And there it is. MetaSignals will do that for you.
Exactly. It's going to be a link in the description, and we are going to talk about it. So stay tuned. We're going to have a session where we're going to explain and show how it works. And of course, Eric Crown and Crypto Zombie, our friends, they are behind it. So super solid project. We know the founders. So thank you for sponsoring the show. Indeed.
All right. Well, guys, thank you for watching, and we'll see you guys
Next week.
Next week. Yeah.
Next week. Cheers.
Peace.
Bye.